have been losing weight. I'm really feeling a sparse Christmas tree. I got this top and I'm gonna wear it in the vlog today. It is so cute. Okay, so on Amazon I got this brown velvety ribbon, and while this was cute, it's perfect for Thanksgiving, but let's switch things up because I'm kind of feeling a little Christmassy vibe right now. So I got this from Home Goods, which I absolutely love. All right, so I did do a cluster right here. These are just items that I had. There's nothing new in this cluster right here. I've had this since my scrapbooking days. Got that at Michael's, got this flock tree. Oh no, these bells are probably a couple years old. Super cute. So I just draped them with the twine, and I didn't use any command strips, but I used these 3 elements just to kind of keep the bells back. But I did get this at Home Goods. So let's put this up with the command strip hooks. The colors go perfectly with the burlap on the bells and the burlap on the swag. Yeah, this was from Home Goods, definitely a good deal. Okay, so these are the items that we got from Home Goods. We got these gorgeous Coupe glasses. Found this in the garage. We also got this with the marble base. Found some stems. I just put 3 ornaments in this vintage candy dish that I got at the thrift store. We got some brown velvet ribbon. This star that never made it to the top of the Christmas tree. Cute little napkins. And some little martini mixers. So I've already taken everything down. Blank slate. We had everything that was up there. I kind of just like corralled down here. So we'll just have a blank slate. Okay, so I have this little star. So I got these at Home Goods for 40 bucks, but I had these in my stash. So I'm just gonna use the command hooks because last year I had so many issues trying to make this stay. But now that I've mastered the art of using command hooks, I'm gonna have a little decor that's not gonna constantly fall on the ground. Okay, so I managed to sneak out with my friend and do a little shopping, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. So I picked up these ornaments, and OMG guys, they have pearls inside. I've never seen anything as cute. So we might use those, not too expensive, about 12 bucks by that brand, Cupcakes and Cashmere. And Home Goods and TJ Maxx, a lot of their things are interchangeable. I've seen those items at both stores. And I also picked up a cookie sheet, which was cute because I've never had a cookie sheet with a little drying rack on top. I usually just, when I scoop up the cookies, I put them on a plate. But this way I can let them dry on all sides. So I thought that was cute. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. And then I picked up this, you guys, this yellow dress. It looks super cute. I probably could have gotten a size smaller. I got in a medium, but yeah, super cute. So glad I picked that up. Okay, so even though I'm a mother of 8, I only have 2 that are under the age of 18. So I grabbed these, and they only had 2, which is apropos because one for Billy, she's 11, one for Logan, he's 5. And so we can just hang 2 stockings. I don't need to explain to anyone why there's only 2 stockings because we all know Christmas is for kids, at least in my opinion. Then I grabbed this because I thought, my mom's African American. I thought she'd like it, but then I couldn't resist. I actually put one in my downstairs bathroom already. I'm just going to use it for a little while because it came with 2. I can give her one, keep one myself. And the last thing I grabbed were these hand creams, perfect for under the tree. This cute little set I got from Amazon. It has like the bench, the little chairs. Actually, no, I got it from Wayfair. It's nice dining al fresco sometimes, and I have been losing weight, so that's good. Haven't been overdoing it. I'm really feeling a sparse Christmas tree. The sparse Christmas tree looks cute, so we're gonna hang the little ornaments and see if we like it with or without. I kind of like the understated look without ornaments, but you guys let me know what you think. Okay, so of course we're gonna have one more tree for the downstairs, and I ordered some chocolatey velvet brown ornaments, but they're taking forever to ship. But I think it's really cute to have a tree in the bedroom. And this is the Sparse tree. I will link it. It's from Amazon.